Hey guys, welcome to Buy Best Price, and today I have come with another video. This video will be on a refrigerator. So if you are planning to buy a new refrigerator for your house and you have 5 or 6 members in your family, it will be a good choice for you. Today I have come with this new refrigerator which is from Godrej. It has 294 liter capacity. As soon as you open the door of freezer, you will get two shelves in the door, and if you see inside the freezer, there is a ice maker box which is a twister model, so that you can get ice cubes very easily, and it has also a shelf in the freezer zone. Godrej uses intelligent inverter compressor so that you will get a lot of energy saving. Now let's enter the refrigerator. In the fridge section door you will get 4 or 5 pocket cells by which you can store a lot of utilities in this. And there is also good space for water bottles so that you can store 4 or 5 water bottles. You will also get 4 cells in the fridge section, and cells are made by toughened glass, so it is not going to break very easy. There is also a vegetable box which is very big size. If we compare to other brands, this refrigerator has more space, around 300 liter. If you want detailed review of this refrigerator, you can also visit the website www.buybestprice.in. There we have posted a lot of reviews about home appliances like fridge, AC, washing machine and many more.